after the party, let's take a little time and talk about it. What's going?
You said one door open when another door closed. I'm praying that's the way that it goes. It's Friday when I'm about to turn the door knob.
Okay. So basically, a lot of you guys, if you don't know, I went to VidCon this weekend, and if you don't know, there's a problem with that. How you found out I went to VidCon is from my Instagram. Basically, I wore this iconic look. So bomb, so bomb. I'll be inserting a picture somewhere around here. I don't really know at this point. And so when I did this look, a lot of people were asking me like, how did you do it? What'd you do? So this is their tutorial. So I was like, you know what? Honestly, I think I should, you know, post this picture and see if anybody wants a tutorial, because I'm not about to sit here and post tutorials and you don't want to see them. So I went on Instagram and I took a poll, of course. I'm always doing some freaking polls. But I took a poll and I was like, oh, if you want to see me do this iconic look, let me know. And then I'll get that to you. So it said, yes, sis, or, you know, I'm good, enjoy, you know, do what you gotta do, but no. So I took the poll and then everybody's like 97%. Okay, so my last time I did these poll combinations, I actually didn't get the numbers right. It's only because I'm low-key kind of like slow. So, you know, anyways, I don't really remember the numbers. Hopefully it equals up to 100%. But I guess like 97% said yeah, and then the other percent said no. So, you know, I'm gonna do the yeah because 97% said yeah, so you know. This is really good for, you know, people that really don't know how to do makeup and stuff like that, and that are like really new to like makeup. And so, and also I still consider myself a beginner because, you know, I don't be doing too intricate stuff, so you know. But let's just get into it. And yeah, let's just, you know, do the look. Let's do the look. Let's do the look. Let's do it. Okay, stop. Okay, we're good. Next, okay. First, I'm just gonna start off with like, you know, my brows. I think I want to do a talk through, kinda. Maybe is that what I'm feeling right now? I hate that I have a makeup bag because there's so much crap in here, and oh, it matches my nails. There's so much crap in here, and it's everything that I need. Okay, I'm just gonna be doing my eyebrows, and you know, just regular, you know. Something easy, something quick. So yeah, we'll get a little close and personal. Okay, so I'm really like contemplating if I should because I did 2 days, like basically kind of the same look but a little bit different, because the first time I did it I used foundation, and then the second time I did it I actually only used concealer. And so I'm trying to decide if that's what I'm trying to do, because like I have a frontal on, and like whenever you put on foundation and you have a frontal, like the whole makeup on your forehead situation gets really difficult. And like right now I'm just grabbing my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 390. Odd thing, that is now my shade, because during the winter that's not my shade. It's actually too dark. It's darker than me, so whatever. And then I'm gonna prime my face with the YSL Primer. So yeah, this with nails is like extremely interesting. Like I feel like extra bougie when I do it with nails. Oh, I don't know if I want to do foundation. I'm so going through it, even though I just told y'all I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm so indecisive. I swear I go through this all the time. It's so annoying. This stuff feels so good. I just keep rubbing it because it just feels like a pillow is on my face right now. I'm not gonna do a lot though, because I'm just not. I didn't do a lot anyways. I literally only did like 2 pumps, and then I just put that around my face. I put it on my hand, and then I'm gonna take that, put the beauty blender in it, and I only really concentrated on the spots that where my face was really acting weird, and like I have marks on it. So make sure you get your neck, honey. I'm gonna take my NARS concealer. I feel like I'm low-key running out, and I don't want to say I just bought this because I kind of didn't just buy this. Dang, I don't want to run out yet. Like, dang, I ain't trying to get my coins taken away yet. Dang. Yeah, that's the only places I'm going to be highlighting my face, because my forehead is a different situation right now because it's covered, and like I gotta figure that part out, and it's just, you'll see till the end. So weirdly, but I'm gonna let this sit a little bit, like for like 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, just 1 minute, and then I'm gonna blend it out. So y'all.
Teniendo de cerca, se me daña la cabeza, me acerco, todo me tiembla, ahora tengo la certeza que no se me han quitado las ganas, despertar contigo en las mañanas.
Okay, now that it's all blended out, I'm gonna take my Ben Eye powder and the big color Banana. Ooh. I don't know, like I love this product, but I hate how messy I am with it, and I feel like I'm the only human being on this earth that's like messy with it, because all my other friends who have this, they're like, I don't see what's the problem, like I don't see why you're getting it everywhere. And I'm like,
is that shade?
But it's whatever, it's cool. If there's a will, there's a way. It's weird, but I like to do this little trick. I like to put it on my eyebrows. I just think it makes it look more natural. And somebody made my comments talking about you don't have to do this, but like, listen, I just like the look of this. So on this step, so like when I let everything like sit in, I actually, so this is like the glossy eye part. So I take my contour shade, which is Espresso for the Fenty stick, and I just put that all over my eyelid and I blend it out. You can do this with your finger, or you can do this with your beauty blender. I think it's kind of extra to do with your beauty blender, because like, just use your finger, it's not that deep. Like, okay, so now that my eyelids are ready, I'm gonna take this like holographic lip gloss that I have by Maybelline. It's called Shine Shot. So I'm gonna put this on my lid, and I'm just gonna dab it on there and move it around. This gives off a blue metallic sheen. You don't have to get this certain one. You could do it with like clear gloss, but I think it's just really cute because it's like, it's already clear, and I kind of want some like something to it. And then, as you see, it's like really glossy right now. I'm not gonna go in too much because since it does have like an iridescent blue to it, it'll change the color actually, which is really weird. Míralo. So I'm gonna just take off my scarf and then do the edges really quick and then come back so I can blend it and everything, and then we're gonna see the end result. So yeah, basically I did like my edges and the hair and everything, and so like literally this is exactly what I look like at VidCon. Like I had on this same shirt and my hair was like this. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, but this is the end of the video. Also if you are new here, like if you're coming new to the family and stuff like that, please subscribe. Like stop watching these videos and just being like, now you're lurking, and I just want you to be a part of the family at this point. So yeah, I think I want to eat some sushi or something. I'm kind of hungry, but I'm gonna dip now because I'm hungry at this point. Love you guys, bye.